Do not delude yourselves. Do not.
Has John not died so young, or is he another?
Not good. It's not good. Not good.
No, it's Doc Holliday.
Oh, Doc.
¿Me siguen? Mira hacia adelante. Pablo decía en cierta ocasión. Believe me, they will ask for the return of lost territories, lost colony.
7 p.m. Saturday, leaving a bar called Hennessy's. About 40 minutes later, police say security cameras captured Pena and another man, leading Ambrose to a nearby subway station.
It's obvious from the video surveillance that she did not go along willingly.
Just after midnight, Pena and Ambrose were spotted leaving a different subway station. Her cell phone pinged a few minutes later near the apartment where she was eventually found. It's about a mile from the bar. Former Boston Police Commissioner Ed Davis.
There are cameras on buses, cameras on trains, and all of those areas are exploited by police when something happens.